Islamic State bombs Italian Consulate in Cairo. Islamic State claimed responsibility for an explosion outside the Italian Consulate in Egypt's capital on Saturday. Islamic State launched a powerful car bomb attack on the Italian Consulate in downtown Cairo on early Saturday. The Islamic State said a 450-kilogram car bomb was used in the attack. A person was killed by the blast and at least 9 others were wounded. Islamic State did not explain why the Italian consulate was targeted. Twitter user Aaron Y. Zelen suggested a possible reason for the attack was that the Islamic State wants to take over Rome.
Leave an insightful comment on TomoNews.net and you could win up to $500 every month.